Hey, welcome to 3D Creations by Jason. As you all may know, I enjoy making things, but one thing I don't enjoy is painting. And I've discovered something that helps make that much easier, and I want to share it with you. So hang on, and we'll get to it in just a moment. So one of my biggest issues when I'm painting things is not the painting process, is not the drying process, nothing like that. It's shaking the rattle cans. I don't like doing that. I guess I just don't spend enough time doing it. I don't do it long enough. I don't shake it well enough. None of that. Well, I've discovered something that I have to share with you all that has improved that. It's cut down the time that I have to shake the cans. It's improved the quality. I'm not getting any more clogged nozzles, nothing like that. So let me show you what I've got here. I have got a can shaker. I bought this on Amazon and it is super easy to use. You just connect it up to the drill and then you turn it on. It shakes the can. You do that for about a minute per rattle can. It makes the painting process so much easier. The spray comes out really well, coats really well, a lot finer of a mist. I'm not getting clogged nozzles, nothing like that. So I'll put a link down below in the comments. It's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just because I bought this on Amazon. It's super handy and I really like it. But one thing I want to call out is you look at it, what's really cool is a lot of it's 3D printed. The handle, it is printed in 3D. The little parts around the strap that holds the can on, those are printed in a TPU material. So it's really neat seeing the combination of the 3D printed items along with, standard, mechanical, metal, bolts, everything to make something like this that's super handy and really enjoy. So I thought you all would like to hear about that. Really quick video, just wanted to share. By all means, if you enjoy what you're seeing, give me a like, subscribe, whatever you like. I'm gonna make some more content like this if I can. Thanks. Have a good one.